I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make these redware style Easter eggs. Let's get started. I have some paper mache eggs. These are about the same size as a real chicken egg. They're about 2.5 inches long. And I have a couple colors of acrylic craft paint. I have folk art, toasted terracotta, and moon yellow. And I'm going to use the terracotta for the base coat on the eggs. I'm just going to paint half at a time, and then I'm going to put them into a egg carton so they can dry. I ended up painting 2 coats of paint to fully cover the paper mache eggs, and now I'm going to use this folk art moon yellow to add the designs to the eggs. This one I'm going to make a swirl that's going horizontally. Add a couple lines. I'm going to use the end of a small paintbrush to put dots. And then I'll repeat that on the other side. Looks like I inadvertently got a little bit of yellow paint there. This one I added 2 stripes to. I don't worry too much about them being perfect, as I'm going to nestle them inside some Easter grass. This one I'm going to add a little bit wider of a stripe all the way around it. Then I want a smaller stripe on top of it, so I'm going to use a skewer. You could use a toothpick to paint a thinner stripe. If you had a real narrow paintbrush, it would work just as well. I'm going to do the same thing and make a narrow stripe on the other side of the wider stripe. In this egg, I just painted vertical swirls that look kind of like long S's all the way around, fairly evenly spaced. This is the redware crock that I took with me to the store to pick out the paint color, and it matches pretty well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.